Hi everyone, today I will continue with our topic on describing indoor space and drawing layout plan. Usually, layout plan is in a form of floor plan, which is a drawing to scale showing a view from above of the relationships between rooms, spaces, traffic patterns, and other physical features at one level of a structure. Dimensions are usually drawn between the walls to specify room size and wall length. Floor plans may also include details of fixtures like sinks, water heaters, furnaces, and so on. Floor plans may also include notes for construction to specify finished construction methods or symbols for electrical items. It is also called a plan, which is a measured plane typically projected at the floor height of 4 feet or 1.2 meter, as opposed to an elevation, which is a measured plane projected from the side of a building along its height, or a section or a cross section where a building is cut along an axis to reveal the interior structure. You can draw layout plan or floor plan in 2D or 3D form. There are many available free and open source of floor plan software currently available, such as Floor Planner, Smart Draw, Room Sketcher, SketchUp, Civil 3D, Sweet Home 3D, AutoCAD Architecture, AutoCAD LT, Planning with Floor Planner, and so on. You can also use a simple drawing using Microsoft Word or PowerPoint if the indoor space or the room is not that complicated. In indoor environmental quality studies, the most important thing is the physical characteristics of the room or indoor space or building are covered in the drawing, such as its dimensions, the positions of ventilation system in terms of mechanical and or natural ventilation, the positions of furniture or seatings or tables, and so on. It is often helpful to first complete some background research or survey to find out about the room, space, or building. Then, you can proceed to document and describe its physical characteristics. The following questions will help you to capture all of the information you might need to describe a building, a room, or in an indoor space. Most of these questions can be adapted to other types of resources as well, such as structures, sites, and objects. So the questions would be, the first one, what are the historic and general names of the room or indoor space or building? Second, what is the exact locations of the room, indoor space, or building? Number 3, is this building or room or indoor space in historic district or previously surveyed area? Number 4, what is its current use, operation, and activities? Next, when was it constructed? You can also ask questions on what is the topography of the area, including natural and artificial features, how many levels it has, what shape is the roof, what is the method of construction, what are the materials used to construct the building or room or indoor space. Next question you can also ask is, for a building or structure, for example, be sure to record materials for the foundation, exterior walls, and roofs. Also, you can see how many windows and door openings, what types of windows and doors are present, and how are they arranged, where are the door or window located, what other decorative features or design details are present, are there any alterations or additions? What is the floor, wall, or ceiling type? what is the ventilation type, how many seating it has, what is the capacity of the room, how about the number of occupants, and so on. In these slides, I gave 4 examples of descriptions of indoor space, room or building. The first one is, as you can see on this slide. The study was carried out in a private hospital which is located at the latitude of 5.3918 and latitude of 100.3040. The hospital is in the region of Penang, the northern state of Malaysia, which is in the tropic climate. In this research, 6 mechanically ventilated rooms of the hospital, which are the laundry room, pathology laboratory, angio laboratory, open ward, managing information strategies office, and pharmacy, were selected as the inquiry samples for the thermal environmental conditions and ventilation indicator performance. It is important to be noted that the air conditioning system in the hospital building is centralized, which air is diffused via controlled air diffusers. The descriptions and characteristics of each chosen room are shown in Table 1. You can see in this Table 1 the list of descriptions and characteristics of selected hospital rooms. So you can see in the first column, we have room indicator from R1, R2, R3, and so on until R6. And then we have also descriptions relations to the what types of the room. It's a laundry room. R1, R2 is the pathology laboratory. R3 is angio laboratory. And then the third column is on the characteristics in relations to the ventilation system and area. So for instance, in room 3, the ventilation system consists of 5 controlled air diffusers, 1 split air conditioner, and 1 dehumidifier, with an area of 34.3 meters square. This slide shows the layout floor plan of the selected rooms. Okay, you can see here the floor and the layout plan of the selected rooms were drawn using AutoCAD and 3ds Max software. Figure 1 illustrates the drawing plan of the 6 rooms in 2D and 3D. The drawing dimensions are in millimeter for easy viewing on how big and small size are the rooms. The 2D floor plan are presented in scale 1 to 150. This slide shows another description of case study classrooms. You can see here the layout plan of the study classroom was drawn using Autodesk Home Styler as shown in figure 2. This slide shows the descriptions of the selected classrooms in table form. This is the layout floor plan drawn using the Home Styler. Example 3 shows a detailed descriptions of buildings or rooms. You can read this on your own and find out the characteristics listed in this text. This slide shows a layout plan of a study site in a selected primary schools. This layout was drawn using Microsoft Word. So you can see here a simple drawing can be drawn using Microsoft Word. Okay, now for your assignment, you need to choose an indoor space or a room or a building Then illustrates a layout plan of the indoor space or the room or the building and describe it based on the characteristic that we have learned together in this slide.